This is Project Poppins, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 crew cab built to our client's exact specification. Poppins is painted full gloss two-tone Keswick green with Chorlton white and black accents. Poppins sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 crew cab features a rear roll cage, classic front bumper and E.C.D custom black steering guard. Inside, Poppins features a Momo retro steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Puma Classic front and mid-row seats, and 2 occasional benches in the load area. Each seat is finished with clad inserts, Garrett Journey Scenic Trail leather stitched together in sumac. Poppins is powered by our LS3 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 crew cab also features an array of modern touches such as Infinity Kappa sound system, Apple CarPlay and access to USB charging ports throughout.